Sohag Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Hel- Hello, viewers. A very good evening to one and all. A very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Wishing you all a wonderful evening. Here I am, Sita, sitting here trying to entertain you this evening for this wonderful Telugu Antakshari show. Welcome to one and all. We are doing this as a very unique program for the first time for all the viewers of My Dream Entertainment to and to entertain on the Telugu Antakshari show with some wonderful Telugu songs with beautiful singers on the show. Let's get the show started. So here I have amazing singers, wonderful participants. We can get started with the first contestant here, Ramya. Ramya, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, Sita. Hi, everybody on the show, and hi, viewers. I'm quite excited as my very good friend Sita Subhashini, winner of Mr. and Mrs. Bharat USA. I'm happy to be here. Firstly, I would like to wish all of you a happy Mother's Day. My name is Ramya. I live in New Jersey. And I'm an ardent lover of music. I've been trained in music and love singing, love entertaining myself, and I'll try to entertain you today with this competition. And yeah, I'm ready to have fun.
Let's rock the show, Ramya. Thank you so much. Let's get to Saukya.
Hi everyone. Hi Sita. My
Hey.
name is Saukya. I live in New Jersey, Secaucus, and I'm excited today. You're conducting Telugu Antakshari. Hope I can sing better songs. And I'm learning Carnatic classical music. Singing has always been my passion and my hobby, and I love it. I enjoy it. Thank you for giving the opportunity to sing.
Thanks for so very welcome onto the show. Look forward to your singing, Saukya. The
Thank
next
you.
contestant here is Bharat. Bharat, we can't hear you. Okay, we'll get back to Bharat. Bharat, can you say something? Probably we can hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Bharat. I'm here to play Antakshari as well.
Awesome. Look forward to hear your wonderful voice here, Bharat. Thanks for being on the show. The next I have is Brahmini.
Hi Sita, hi everyone. My name is Brahmini Banama. I also live in New Jersey. Singing is my passion. Um, Very excited to be a part of this show. Uh, let's have fun.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Look forward to it, Brahmini. Last but not the least is my beloved, darling husband on the show as well. So let's welcome Ram.
Hello, thank you, Sita. So, hi everyone, this is Ramu Varanasi. As you know, Sita already gave a part of the introduction. So, we live in New Jersey. So, just to say that I love singing, but I'm a very bad singer. You're gonna see that, but I'm gonna enjoy this show. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Ram. So we can get started here. Let me run through the kind of rounds that we could have on this show. I'm planning for about 5 rounds, but at least let's target four. The first four seems to be more exciting, and we should let's see how this goes. And each point, uh, for every correct point, you will be winning a point of 10. Whereas if you don't sing or maybe are incorrect in the guesswork, you really don't lose anything, but you're not going to get a point. So I will explain what the 5 rounds are going to be. The first round is the traditional Antakshari that we have. Each of you pick up the last letter from the prior singer and get going with the song should start with the last letter. Whereas the second round you have here is the actor and the actresses. So I will be giving you actor and the actresses, and you got to sing a song from that hero heroine and that movie specifically. I'm not going to give you a movie. There could be a bunch, but you could pick up one of it. Then there is a round 3 where I will be playing the Charana, and you get to guess the Pallavi of it. The next round is this is a little funnier round where I give you a translated an English title name, but it is actually you got to guess the Telugu title for it. There is a vice versa as well. I give you it could also be an English title or it could be a Telugu title. I have divided that, but when we get to the round, I'll explain it. Then there is one last round where give you the word. You can pick up the song phrase of the word. Any doubts? I know I was pretty quick. Are we clear on the round?
Very good.
Cool. Okay, so let's get started. Ramya, the first letter goes with you. Let's start with okay, बेटे बेटे क्या करे करना है कुछ काम शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेके प्रभु का नाम माँ.
Okay. Okay, I'll start with this song. Manohara na hridayamulo o madhuvaniga మలిచినానంటరతీవర అతి నెలని ఓ తుమ్మెదవై తాగి పొమ్మంట నా యవ్వనమే నీ వశమై పుదకించే వేళ లా లా లా.
Okay, so that goes to Saukhya.
La. లంగా ఓణి నెటితో రద్దయిపోని శృంగారాన్ని చీరతో సిద్ధం కాని నిన్నలా మొన్నలా ఉండకే అమ్మాయి ఇప్పుడే ఆగనా లంగా ఓణి నెటితో రద్దయిపోని నా
Bharat, na.
నా ఇంటి ముందున్న పూదోట నడిగేవో నా వంటి పైన కారే నా పైట నడిగేవో వా.
Okay, you're excused for this round, but try to sing at least 3 lines of the song. That's when you enjoy the song more.
Alright.
Brahmani, for you.
వాన వాన వెల్లువాయే ఉండకొన తుళ్ళిపోయే చిలిపి ఆశలే చిగురు జల్లులై మేలు తాకగా ఏదో 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 హాయ్. Yeah.
So Ram, the next one goes to you.
యమహోని యమ యమాందం చెలరేగింది యగాదిగా తాళం చూపుల్లో నేను వాణ్ణి. I think I should stop there.
So what is the letter? We
Na.
continue this for the next 2 more rounds. So Ramya, it is na for you.
నీ జతగానే నుండాలి నీ జతగానే నుండాలి నీ సుఖమే నేనే కావాలి. I don't remember beyond. So it's E.
Saukhya.
ఇంకేం కావాలి చాలే ఇంకా చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వలవే ఇకపై కిరణాలే లా
La. Bharat, la.
లాహిరిలో ఓ జగమే ఊగెనుగా ఊగెనుగా సాగెనుగా గా
Ga. Ramani.
వీరుడు నరకుమారుడు కళ్ళల్లోనే ఇంకా ఉన్నాడు ఫిలిం స్టారుడు క్రికెట్ వీరుడు కళ్ళు కొట్టి చూస్తే కుర్రాడు డ్రీమ్ బాయ్ ఊరని పేరని జాడని చెప్పు డ్రీమ్ బాయ్ రూపులో చంద్రుడు సూర్యుడు Da.
Da. Ram.
Da.
We got a time clock left.
I don't know the lyrics, but I know the song. Dhamarakumu mroga, himashikara mega. I think those are the two words I know.
Ram, probably you will not get a full point for this. I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
You just. What do you say? Which finger? Ram, what do you want to consider? It's a competition. Okay. So where does it end, Ram?
Ga.
Yeah, again.
Yeah. Ga.
So this is the last round for. This is the last turn on this round.
So ga for me.
Ga. Yep.
గున్న మామిడి కొమ్మ మీద గూళ్ళు రెండున్నాయి ఒక గుటిలో నా రామచిలకుంది ఒక గుటిలో నా కోయిలుంది సారీ I messed it up Baddi.
That was very good. It's an amazing old Telugu song.
I know, that's why I couldn't remember how to sing.
It's a very wonderful song, and you did sing quite well, Ramya. Saukya?
E, right?
The.
Da. ధీర 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 మనసాగనందిరా చూర 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 I don't know the lyrics.
సొగ సందుకోదర
సొగ సందుకోదర రా
Bharat, Ra.
రావోయి చందమామ
You're picking all classics. Go ahead, sorry.
వింతగా ధరినుమా రావోయి చందమామ తన మతమేమో తనది మన మతం అసలే పడదో యా
Ramani, yeah.
ఏమో మన మొదలో ఈ వేళ ఏమైందో ఏమో అనుమానం కలిగేలా అవుతో కాదు తెలియాలంటే
This is a reminder. New homework.
Go ahead.
నిజమో కాదో తెలియకపోతే తగువే తేలదే దా
Ram,
Dinakutta, Janakuro, Dinakutara, na Dinakutara, na.
Ram, great humming. We want more lyrics from you.
Okay. I need to Google.
Your lyrics, right? Cool. That was an amazing first round. And you have heard some wonderful classics. Just for the sake of viewers here, I forgot to introduce in the staff. Ramya and Bharat are a couple. They have been so in sync that they sang all melodies. They picked one of the classics in this. Thanks for that. So I guess the first round was great. Let's get to the next round. That actor and actress. Okay, because we started with old is gold, let's get the first couple here. Raise your hand, whoever can put it up, and I give you a 10-second timer.
Sita, we are not audible. You're not audible.
It's there's resound.
It's not clear. Yeah.
I think because we are connected from the same house, me and my husband.
It's clear now. Maybe you should speak closer, like what you're doing right now.
Oh, is it better?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So the first actor and actress is A.N.R. Garu and Savitri Garu. And the timer starts now.
Ramini raised her.
I'm guessing. I don't know if it's correct or not. ముద్దబంటి పువ్వులు పెట్టి మొగిలి రేకును మేడన చుట్టి హంసన్ కదా
NTR.
NTR.
But you have they're even in that song, in that movie. Okay, there's nobody. Okay, no one gets anything in any point in this round. The first one. The next one is NTR Garu, Sridevi Garu.
NTR and
Sridevi Garu. Sridevi. Okay, that is
what?
Ramya.
Ramya or Bharat?
I saw your hand.
Changaniram Hattukanna Chiradi. That's not the one?
I think that is Vanishri, right?
That's Vanishri.
Was it Nageshwara అనుకుంటాను నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు అనుకుంటాను.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you do this. You don't need a point. Probably Bharat is try with you.
I forgot. Bangaru Batu.
No.
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, guys. I think I'll pick up what's newer number for you. Let's say this Samantha and Mahesh Babu.
Huh?
Samantha and Mahesh Babu. Saukya.
I know the song. I'm not getting it.
ఎవరెవరు ఇది?
Samantha and Mahesh Babu.
धड़क धड़क दिल पचड़ी पचड़ी धड़क धड़क दिल धड़क पचड़ी चेसा na. I don't know the lyrics.
Okay.
If somebody else want to try, you can try.
Anyone else who want to do the song?
I can sing a different song.
Don't do that. I don't.
Sure. Get going down.
Okay. గురువారం మార్చి 1 సాయంత్రం 5:40 తొలిసారిగా చూసానే నిన్ను. That's the song.
That's the song?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, okay. The next one is Ram Charan and Neha Sharma.
Nee.
Ram Charan and Neha Sharma.
Which movie she is in? Neha Sharma?
I don't know that name.
I'm not going to give you any clue here. Bharat.
I think I don't know the name. I don't
Song,
know.
please.
That's her, right?
Song.
Rubaru.
No.
Not Ruba Ruba. No, not Ruba Ruba.
Chiruta.
Yeah.
Chiruta.
I'll sing.
I don't know the songs from that.
Yeah, even I can't.
Yes, Chiruta is right.
Okay, pass.
Okay, you pass, Ram.
चमका चमका चमकी रे चिन्नोरी चिलको रे चुटको पटको पटको रे ना 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 ना.
Good, Ram.
Thank you. Yay.
Second round.
Okay, we have last two to go. Nani and Lavanya.
Nani and?
Nani and Lavanya Tripathi.
We can't hear you. It's
Lavanya Tripathi.
Lavanya Tripathi.
Gentleman.
Guys, don't guess the movie, guess the song. Yes, Ramya, you get it.
వీడి పేరు ఏమో నాని పోతే కానీ వీడు కంటతో కానీ గెలవలేని వీణి పూలొచ్చి చూస్తుంటే వీడు పులిహోర తింటాడు సునామీ వస్తుంటే వీడు స్విమ్మింగ్ చేస్తాడు బలే 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 మగాడి
Awesome. Okay, I'm giving you one of our is what I think. One of the super hit combinations, Madhavan and Shakti. Ramini.
పచ్చందనమే పసుదనమే చిన్ననవ్వుల పచ్చదనమే ఎదకు సమతమే.
This round was quite good, guys. You all played very well. You all at least guessed the movie quite well, I can say. Good going. Let's get to the next round where probably you can guess the song as well. So I'll be playing the charanam of the song, and you can guess the pallavi. And again, it goes to the same thing. Please raise your hand, and I will be picking the contestant. Can I get it started?
Playing from iPhone.
మాట పడి మాటలై అది పాట కావాలని
I can't see the contestants very clearly, but yes, can someone raise your hands? Ramya, I think you were making an attempt. Get going.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Anyone else?
Not able. It's almost there. Not coming.
Okay, it's Nagun Shrutilona.
Naguntu Shrutilo. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, well, the next part.
చలిలో దుప్పటికెక్కిన ముద్దుల పంటలలో
I saw you.
ఓకే. అందం ఇందోళం అదరం తాంబూలం అసలే చలికాలం రగిలే సుమబాణం సంధ్యారాగాలెన్నో నన్న వేళ.
You get it. I am sorry to say, but can't see all the contestants at some point, so I'm really only able to see 4 people, and in them I can only see Ram. So if anybody of you did raise your hand, we'll take it to the next round.
Yeah, even I can't see Brahmini in the same screen.
Then we will see if you can't see me.
Okay. All set for the next one? You can't miss.
Come close to that speaker. I'm not able to hear you.
Brahmini.
కన్నుల్లోని రూపమే గుండెల్లోని ధ్యానమే నాసని స్నేహమే నా శ్వాసని కోసమే.
Okay, I'm going to the next song. That was a good one, Brahmini. You got it.
Sorry, I thought it was a song. Sorry.
Me.
Brahmini again. She was very quick.
జాబిలిని తాకి ముద్దులిడాశ ఆడుపులు ఆశ చిన్ని ఆశ
Good job.
Brahmini, you're so good at it. You remember. Awesome. Guys, I guess there is going to be, this is the last but one song. Saukya, Ramya, everybody. Ramya. Guys, I'll tell you something. Actually, you know or not, probably raise your hand.
I know. ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది మనసు ఎటెళ్ళిందో అది తెలుసు. ఓ చల్లగాలి ఆ చూపి కబురియలేవా ఏమైందో.
Good one. You got it. Ramya again.
చాటుగా కళ్ళను చూస్తే పోతుంది మతిపోతుంది, చాటుగా నడుమును చూస్తే పోతుంది మతిపోతుంది, చాటుగా మతిపోతుంది, చాటుగా పోతుంది మతిపోతుంది. So on.
Awesome. This was amazing. It is so tough to recall the song, but good going, guys. You guys did great. Okay, so this is the next one. It's kind of a fun round. You don't really need to know the movie name. It's a little humorous. Let's say I'm going to give you there are about 5 movie names from English, which I will translate Telugu, and if you can guess the English version of that or the English title, let's see. So here, are you all set? Okay. It's a little funny. I hope I hope there is no offense to anyone here. Okay. Goda Galli Nakka.
Huh?
Goda Galli Nakka.
Gully.
Okay, Ramya?
Oh, Gully.
Wall Street Fox.
Huh?
Wall Street Fox.
No. Come on. Okay, Ram.
Wolf of the Wall Street.
Wolf of Wall Street. She made it like a puzzle.
Yeah. Is that right?
Yes, you're good. Yeah, you're right. Okay, the next one is Manchi Chedu Chendalam.
Good, bad.
Bharat. Okay, who started actually? Somebody already started.
I didn't know. I forgot to raise the hand.
That was me who said it twice.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
what
was
was
Bharat
it?
raised it, I think.
Bharat, what was
Bharat.
Bharat.
What's the answer?
Yeah, good, bad, ugly.
good? Good. I think that was a very easy one.
But that was correct one. Correct one.
Chikati Yodudu.
ఏం చేద్దాడు
Chikati Yodudu.
Dark Knight.
Okay.
I told Dark Knight.
You're good. Yes, Dark
I
Knight.
looked at her and she told the
You
answer.
gave a clue to everyone. Okay, the next one. The next one. Samudrapu Dongalu.
Oh.
Ramya.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
That's it. Okay, so this is very, very tricky. This is a true movie name that was given for English movie that was dubbed into Telugu. And the movie name is Lokam Chuttina Veerudu. I am sure you would have all watched this English movie, but let's guess in Telugu. Lokam Chuttina Veerudu. Ram?
Guessing Universal Soldier.
Warrior.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is from one of the James Bond movies.
One of the
James Bond movies.
James Bond 007 movie. Bond. James Bond.
Can I try?
Yeah, please.
World is not enough. No.
World is not.
That's good try.
Ramya?
Warrior who circled the earth.
Awesome. Translation చాలా బాగా చెప్పావు కానీ it is Skyfall 007. Imagine the Telugu translation of Skyfall 007 is Lokam Chuttina Veerudu. That is the Telugu title.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, so now that was the tough one. Let me give you some easy Telugu ones. Okay, Ram, I would say this is something you should definitely try. Gun, Sita's husband. Give me the Telugu title of it. Gun, Sita's husband.
Sita Mogudu.
Guns.
What?
Tupaki Ramudu.
Correct, Ram.
Wow.
Sita Mogudu అయితే.
Good
అంతే
one.
కదా. Yeah.
Okay, Magic Market.
Magic Market.
Ramini.
Mayagodu?
Magic Market.
Market.
You're quite close.
Maya Bazar.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. This is something I guess the guys should try. Wife is a present.
Wife is?
A present.
Friendly.
Can you repeat? I couldn't hear that.
Wife is a present.
Wife is a present. Pellame Bahumati.
Ram, you were quite close. Ramya, go ahead.
I think Pellam oka Bahumati.
Srimati oka Bahumati.
Srimati oka Bahumati. Nice.
Yeah, that oka was something I could remember.
Okay. Cheater in a metro city.
What in the street?
Cheater in a metro city.
In what is it?
Cheater in a metro city.
Teacher.
Cheater.
Cheater.
Cheater in a metro city.
Oh.
Ram.
Mahanagaramlo Mayagad.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, last three. Handsome little boy.
Andamaina.
Handsome little boy.
Sita.
Ramya.
అందమైన బాలుడు.
కాదు, అందమైన బాలుడు. అందమైన బాలిక కాదు.
అందమైన కుర్రాడు.
అస్సలు కాదు. తోగాడే చిన్న. Okay. Life. Okay, this is something we. It is like what I can say. Life of a young boy. It's like life of pi. Life of a young boy. Ramya.
Sorry. Life of pi.
No, not life of pi. Life of a young boy. Yes. No. Huh? Anyone else? Pachipadi Pranam. Good one, Bharat.
Alright. Super guess.
Okay.
Super.
Brahmini gave a clue.
Yeah. Last one, very easy one. Solicitor under a tree.
We cannot hear you.
Solicitor.
We cannot hear.
You have to go and mute. Ram.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Solicitor under a tree.
Sitting in the corridor.
I raised my hand.
She raised her hand. Okay. The last one. Dollhouse.
What?
Dollhouse.
Bommarillu.
Good one. Good one.
Dollhouse.
I hope this was some humorous round.
It's fun.
I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay, let's get to the last and the final round of the show. I'll give you a word, and we will have 5 words altogether in this. I'll give you 5 words and try to sing the song with it. The first word is Vana. Saukya.
Vana vana villuvai. Konda kona villuvai. I don't know the song. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. The next word is Vayasu. Ramini.
వయసా నన్ను నే మరిచా మనసే తెరచి ఇప్పుడే చూసా.
Awesome, Ramini. The next one is Pillagada. Ramya.
Hey, Pillagada. Indira Pillagada. Na gunde kada lolli. Hey, Maratoda. చంపకోయ్ మరకోనా నా మనసంతా గిల్లి.
Well
I
done.
think we're
Well done.
butchering the lyrics.
I can see that. But good, very good attempt, Ramya. The next word is Hrudayam.
Brahmini.
I give it to Brahmini this time.
హృదయం ఎక్కడున్నది నీ చుట్టూనే తిరుగుతున్నది అందమైన అబద్ధం ఆడుతున్న వయసే నాలో విరహం పెంచుతున్నది.
Well done. The next one is Papa. Papa. Okay, I see only Ramya there. Ramya, get going.
No, that's
Roy, Papa Roy, కోపమత్తు బా. Okay, I'm singing. పాపన్ రోయ్, పాప రోయ్, కోపమత్తు బాసు. ఈస్ట్ కి వెస్ట్ కి తేడా తెలియని ఇన్నోసెంట్ ఫేసు. తప్పదుగా ఒప్పదుగా తీసుకోర బాసు. ఒకటా రెండా ఎన్నున్నాయో కదా కండిషన్స్. కంప్యూటర్స్, ఆర్ట్స్, సైన్స్, మ్యాథ్స్, కామర్స్, blah blah blah.
Awesome. Good one. But you are the smartest. Guys, probably just raise your hand. At least I can give you on that preference. You will get to be the contestant to think. Okay, the next and the last word is Prema. I give it to Bharat. Yes, Bharat.
ప్రేమ ప్రేమ నన్ను నేనే మరచిన నీ తోడు విరహాన వేగుతూ ఈనాడు
వినిపించదా
నా గోడు ప్రేమ.
Awesome. So
yeah, and Sita, can you please ask him to dedicate that song to me today?
Yes, it is. Why
don't
all
you
the songs
dedicate to him?
Bharat,
Why don't you dedicate to him?
That's a nice one, guys. Tomorrow is Mother's Day as well. So we have all these lovely wives here, lovely moms here. One song that you want to dedicate to your wife here, Bharat?
The last song that I sang, I dedicated to her.
Good one, Bharat.
Well, that was okay. So Ramya, are you convinced that the last song was for you?
Yeah, but we can dedicate a song for all the mothers if Brahmini and Saukya are ready to sing.
Brahmini, Saukya, if you guys are ready to sing, we have one song.
Pedavi palikina మాట.
Pedavi.
1, 2, 3, start. పెదవి పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటేనమ్మా, కదిలే తీగమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా, తనలో కలిపి మెరుపుగా, తన లాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతోంది ప్రేమ మాధురి.
Well done. Awesome. So this is a dedication to all the lovely moms out there, to you, to me, to everyone. It's a very special day tomorrow. Let all of us enjoy with our kids. Thanks to each of you for taking your time out and coming over for the Antakshari and spending your wonderful time with me on this lovely evening. Any few words you want to say or note about the Antakshari, if there is any feedback you have? చేతులు ఎత్తక్కర్లేదు, sure. అలవాటు అయిపోయినట్టుంది.
So I did participate in a Hindi Antakshari before. Then I couldn't do really well. I thought I didn't know too many Hindi songs, but today when I'm singing, I did the Telugu Antakshari, I realized that I don't remember anything. So it doesn't matter which language it is, I still goof up the same way. But both the times, the common thing that happened was both the times I had a lot of fun in My Dream Entertainment Show. And thanks Rashmi and Janak for having us last time. And also this time for specially creating this Telugu Antakshari round, and for Sita for having us here. And best part is, of course, I could sing with my very good favorite singers, Ramani, Saukya and Ram. And even best part is that Sita could pull my husband. So that was fun. Yeah, thanks so much.
And you got a dedication as well, Ramya. So you can't forget that.
Absolutely. I'm honored. I'm honored.
You're honored in the show.
I know.
So not so often it happens that a husband dedicates it on live. That's a wonderful song.
Yeah, what choice do you have if you're forced live to do that?
But you got to again. This is coronavirus time. You can go nowhere. You got to stay in the same house. So good luck.
Good luck.
Well, anyone, anything else you say? Otherwise, we have this wonderful evening, and you get your time back with your families now. But thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and nice work.
Thank you. That was wonderful.
Bye.
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 Bye.